Here I've got ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open your camera, then tap on the settings icon, and here you'll find timer. Smoothly click here and pick either 1 second, 3 seconds, 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Let me pick for example 3, then let's go back, and as you can see the picture will be taken with 3 seconds delay. Obviously you can also pick some other option, for example 10 seconds, and as you can see now it will be done after. Okay, I didn't switch it. Let me do it one more time. It's 10 seconds, it has been changed right now, and now it will be done after 10 seconds. And that's it. As you can see, this is how you can smoothly and easily activate the timer on your camera. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.